The lighting here is super nice, and I just thought I should kickstart a vlog. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Penelope and this is Penelope Co. If it's your first time here, if you've been here for a while, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for continuing to be part of the family. Hi guys, so the last time I was talking to you, I was at the gym. I didn't get to finish because I was in cold. So this is what I'm going to be cooking for supper. I'm cooking pork, pork chops, and I'm also going to be cooking corn with it. And for starch, I think I'm gonna cook butternut. My meat has been marinated, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge so that like everything's not so and then I'm going to wash this, give this a wash, and then I put them, I don't know what I'm doing, but like I think I do. Okay, so I boiled my corn for like 2 minutes, and then I was cutting up my veggies. So I'm gonna put the corn in the air fryer just to give it a little crunchy crunch. I don't know how to describe food, guys, but yeah.
Tell people you don't drink alcohol.
So we're here at Brahman celebrating this beautiful girl. So yeah, we're gonna take some shots. We already had our lunch and stuff.
Don't ask why they're in big glasses.
Yeah, don't ask why they're in big glasses, but like it's tequila gold, guys. Family and friends, I do drink. Don't ask me about it.
We started. I thought you were gonna talk.
No, I can cut.
Now I feel open because I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Yes, I'm gonna sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. She's looking so awkward. She doesn't know what to do. Oh my!
What do you do, guys? What do you guys actually do when people are singing happy birthday?
You try
just
and
like
look elsewhere.
there.
Yeah, you see them like
And like smile.
Yeah.
Good morning, Takara.
Like when you put the, it's still not typing to do that. So I'm guessing that it's enough. I'm guessing that's like.
But I had typed another one, but then I made a typo. Like I my status. Well, I didn't have to. I don't know why I did it.
Do you want me? Do you want me? Or you just love me? Trying to say
oh, if you want the first one, then you stay on the second one. You bring back the second one. Oh, now we want
the whole time. Yes, man, been doing you real dirty. Now you come running back when your heart is burning.
Oh, what ruins the romantic dinner?
You got me falling in love more and more. So let me know.
Okay, my money from you, Gaza.
Do you want me? Do you want me? Or you just slowing down? You gon' switch up on me? Come on. Be doing you real dirty. The dark holds up, but I'm shining. Do you want me? Do you want me? Or you just slowing down? You gon' switch up on me?
So right now we're in Zimbabwe and we are shooting content for Kelvin's channel. So I'll just be taking you guys along for the behind the scenes. Good morning, Takara. So this is basically the set of what we are doing today, and this is everyone. So yeah, enjoy. They're all liars.
I'm not a liar.
You're a liar.
I'm working legit.
You two are lying to a fellow girl. To a fellow girl, you're lying.
That's the final. Final, you're not even here. Don't review it yet. Let's start.
Yes, man, been doing you real dirty. Now you coming back when your heart is burning. Love more and more. So let me know if you want me.
So, so.
The dark holds up, but I'm shining. Do you want me? Do you want me? Or you just slowing down? You gon' switch up on me?
What do you think? I can't make a decision for you. It's your decision. Is Mr. UK telling the truth or is it lie? Mr. UK. What? No offense, but it doesn't really mean.
Maybe if I doesn't look like me.
No, she doesn't.
Apologies for delay. Yeah, I can do that easy.
I can't hear them.
Hi. International call?
International call, you don't know. The lighting is not great.
Go on this side. How's this side?
Better.
Happy birthday, Beyonce! But yeah, anyways, no, birthday girl.
Not the normal one.
They're not the normal ones. They're the spicy ones.
What? Bye, guys. Thank you.
I need to get that walk. In the circle.
Give me one of stop instead of checking my workout.
Yeah.
A small.
Can I please have a glass of Savioma?
Glass of what?
White wine. Sir.
What we're drinking.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Ah! Yeah.
That's Gonza, I love you.
Again. Again.
No, I was just telling wanasinga shizi wanasiri murudo. You know, kuchindanza I love you. Waka pesa was Gonza I love you. International call. You don't know.
Hi guys.
Hey, wait. No power. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. And today is a new and I recently got a job, so I'm working. And I am with and I'll put this is what I'm having. Cake with the
This better be good.
This is what Sinitha.
I'm just trying to let you know I'll play my part of Sinitha. Cause you ain't no regular girl, you a superwoman. See you conquer the world, yes. Now I wanna hold you, squeeze you, kiss you, touch you. Girl, you're too much, oh. Do it all for my superwoman. Yeah, didn't move when you're my, I hope you understand. Yeah, not what you read online, I'm a different man. Ni window sticker, you want son and do bigger, and I know I wanna chow no nida.
At the same time, I'm having some sushi. I'm at Sushi Shack.
She don't need a man to feed her.
Real funny.
But since you're mine, baby, you will never ever have to mind, baby. And I'm telling you, that's for life. All I need is you by my side. Danza tambo teru doka kata stando sanete. Panda taza jinzwaro. I'm just trying to let you know I'll play my part of Sinitha. Cause you ain't no regular girl, you a superwoman. See you conquer the world, yes. Now I wanna hold you, squeeze you, kiss you, touch you. Girl, you're too much, oh. Do it all for my superwoman.